What are we doing right now?
We're getting a new coaster credit.
New coaster credit. And this one is a coaster, it looks like. I mean, I do see some drive tires over here, but it looks like it's actually going to coast.
This is up, please. Thank you.
There we go. We are definitely the heavier side, so I think we're gonna counterweight on this one.
Oh boy! Here we go.
Woo-hoo.
Here we go. Woo! There's a drop. Oh man! Oh man! Whoa! Whoa! Wow!
That was kind of neat, actually.
Okay. I was not expecting that.
No, I was not expecting that one.
We got whipped.
And here we go for round 2.
Oh man. Alright, now I know what I'm in for.
Yeah.
Whoa, that was crazy.
So this is their upgraded model. They've had like the figure 8s, but now they have a coaster, and this is really kind of cool.
I never went on the regular coaster, but I really like
see,
this
we're going
one.
backwards during this time.
Okay.
That's kind of neat, because the first time we were going forwards.
Wow.
We're going backwards! Whoa! That was nuts! Whoa!
Oh man,
This is crazy.
this is really good.
And round 3, I guess.
Okay.
Yep, round 3.
We are just getting beaten around.
I wouldn't say beaten around.
I'm getting beaten around.
I'm being thrown around, not beaten around. This is actually pretty comfortable, in my opinion, at least.
Here we go.
We go backwards again. Ah! All right, now we're going forwards. Come on, I want to go forwards. There we go. No, we're going sideways. This thing is intense.
Wow, it is.
And that's gonna do it. That was pretty impressive for a small footprint ride like that. That's pretty impressive.
That was really good.
Yeah.
I actually really enjoyed that, like genuinely.
I agree
So
as
much
well.
for the credit. Wow.
Yeah, that's a new credit in my opinion.
A good credit too.